Hello guys, this is Clint Locklear from Trapping Radio, Wolfer Nation, Predator Control Group, all those predator catching acronyms we use all the time with the stuff that we do. But we just did a video on the Coyote Claymore, and if you hadn't seen it, this is the set we used. And before we got done and up, I was like, Travis, let me shoot another quick video because this can answer an email that I get all the time, but just one that came in a couple of days ago. So we've got a rough dirt hole here. We don't have any sweet spots. The pattern is about 3 feet long. It's about 2 feet wide. I'm not sticking my hole in there because it's already pre-baited. I don't want to get that all over me. We got our trap right here that's kind of enclosed by these roots to help guide the foot. So we're going to go to lure. Now, we throw the bait down in there, or you're going to throw a lure or whatever you're going to do. A lot of the rolling that people get is from, I don't know if it's a fear of a coyote doesn't know how to smell, or it's just they've heard this over and over again and someone's got to say it over and over again. I don't know what it is. I want you to think about the habits of a coyote here. When I put, and that hole's that deep, when I put the Coyote Claymore down in the bottom, or I put the individual federales, boss dog, and booty call down in the bottom of that hole, that coyote knows it cannot rub on that down in the bottom of the hole. It physically cannot do it. If you have a shallow hole, it's not sure. If you do this, which I'm gonna, when we turn that camera off, I'm gonna scrape all this down in the hole so I don't have this issue. You hear a lot of people talking about rubbing the lure at the top of the hole, just like that. Now, like I said, I don't know if this is a fear that coyotes don't know how to smell. So you put this right here. And the best analogy I've ever heard is when Matt Jones talking about coyotes rolling because they want to wear it like perfume. And he's absolutely right. So we've got this set. And let's say he doesn't step exactly where I want him to. He comes up. We've put boss dog right here. And it doesn't matter what kind of lure it is. We put that lure right here. It's right there. Coyotes want to wear perfume. They know they don't smell good. They know the ladies like it, so they're going to try to get it on them. And they turn and they drop their body and they get it right here behind their neck. And they do this. And with all that commotion, the trap goes boom. And then you come back and when you first start trapping, you're like, the coyote dug up my trap. No, he probably rolled on it. Then after a while you figure out they're rolling on it, and then you're like, why are they rolling on it? Because you're putting the lure where it's within their habits to want to roll on it. So you put that stuff all the way down in the hole. A coyote can smell anything in the bottom of that hole. If there was a tiny miniature midget mouse in the bottom of that hole and it did a little bitty half fart down in that hole, a coyote would be able to smell that 20 feet away. So when we use lure that's powerful, which most lures today are, up here, it's a lot. And if we put that down in the hole, when the wind's coming across this, there's no telling how far it carries. Putting it up here gives you no advantage, but only a disadvantage. Unless you're dealing with rain or something like that. That's the only time I would try that, and that would be after my hole was full. So if you're having rolling problems, that's dangerous. If you put it down in a deep hole, it's not dangerous on your rolling. So since we were at this set, we had the camera out, I just thought I'd go ahead and show that.